Hi folks, it's me, Brandon Johnson. You're watching this video on my YouTube channel, which is UsedBoatsTV. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the horn out. About 3 out of 4 boats have this specific style horn. So step 1, locate your horn. Step 2, get a screwdriver. Take the cover off.
What it really means to live life golden. Oh, golden, baby, oh, golden. They're about to see it shine.
Now, once you have your horn out, you want to buy another one just like the one that was in there. Also, take a look at how it's connected. See, this just has 2 little plugs. So typically these replacement horns come with a couple different style connectors. This would be one for like a lot of sea rays that has these 2 little plugs. You'll notice because right back here is how this will be. But we don't need this one. This is the one we need because this is the one this boat has. So keep it at the same angle. This just plugs right in. Snap, snap. Take the plugs off. Put them in the same spot. Okay, once you got it plugged in, I recommend taking some help if you are driving the tractor when I'm trying to make a freaking video. Once you get these on, I recommend taking some pliers. Just kind of giving these a good squeeze since you just kind of took them off there. Give them a good squeeze. Now, a couple side notes. When you take the horn, inspect it. If it doesn't look broke, it may not be. And in that scenario, you can use a test light. Like this. Put one onto the ground, put the other one in there, have someone in the boat hit the horn button. If your test light lights up, you know it's power to this. Find your fuse. If the fuse is good, could be in the switch. You'll have some wiring somewhere. Most of the time though, it's just the horn. So, once you got your horn, put it back in the new slide. Clip it in. Put it back in the hole. Take your new fancy cover. And just put your screws back in. Once you got your new horn in, go hop at your helm. Make sure your batteries are on. Hit the button. That's all she wrote.
Models popping bottles.